I'm all up in it. Clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually got time to myself to do this unboxing again. Still in my sister's place. Just did a whole bunch of BTS and thingy for the mega unboxing. But I have, if I'm still, oh my god, I have 10 minutes. Okay, so yes, we will just go with it. Hopefully today she's slightly later, but I don't know. Oh my god, look at this, the damage in the freaking spine. But we have random red cards, and then oh my god, I'm like so happy I finally have this. Again, I doubt there are any inclusions in this because this is JYP, not JYP, YG rarely has like inclusions for like solo artists in the sense of like Big Bang past stuff. Like some of them, of course, oh my god, he's my bias obviously, so that's why I got it, and I'm actually surprised I got it for the price I did. I thought I was going to be duped, and basically, can I show this full frame? And basically the person was going to flank me, and yeah, because I bought it from, I'll put the name here, like it's a kind of a famous store. I had my speculations on it, but it's everything came, I guess, so I can't complain. But I hate that because I think I got either shipping on sale or I got a % off or free shipping. I don't remember because I bought so much stuff that I was able to this freaking song, I was able to now pay like the insane amount that it was giving me before the discount was counted. Oh my god, apparently they are like G-Dragon is like what do you call it, planning something for Big Bang, so I'll be looking forward to that. Does this open? I don't know if it does, like there are some words in there, but I'm assuming it's just dum repeating the whole time. Everyone changes. I like this. And then the same thing over here. So yeah, I don't know if it opens. Oh god, these are weird pages. Very weird. I kind of like this album. I mean album. Special thing, I don't even know what to call it. Technically it's an album. And like or sing solo. So like yeah, I think this is just the same the whole time. So like what do I want to say, because I can have it facing the outside. He has very weird pictures on his Instagram, not gonna lie. Like he's just I feel like if I was an idol, I technically would be this kind of people, but then I'll be that moody, oh my god, I'll be that moody person as well. Because I'm a very moody person and I feel like I'm very antisocial and I don't get along with many people, my family included. I like this part in the video. So like yeah, it's really hard finding somebody who just understands my messed up brain and is willing to be patient with my spur of the moment, upset, quietness, silent moments, treatments, things I do to people. Cause like something very small can trigger me. Why am I talking about this in this unboxing? I don't know, I chose weird topics. But like something very small can trigger me, and like at the moment I won't know what. So like I'll fester on it, I'll like give you this treatment, it will get worse, other things will happen, and it will be like so annoying. Because like example, like the sister that's back home, not this one. This one I don't know if I'm ever ready to talk about it. But anyways, the one back home, basically she basically made some comments, like at the time I didn't know why I was pissed, but she made some comments that seemed racist to me and also homosexual, or homophobic rather, and I was just like I don't like to interact with people like that. And I thought she was better than that because like of course I've kind of grown up with her all my life because I went to boarding half of my life anyways. But yes, I kind of grew up with her, so I knew she'll understand why I will, or not understand, but like basically understand where I was coming from. So like at the time I didn't have things to say, I wasn't able to say anything, I was just really pissed off, and I was just like I'm so done with her. Like we were sharing the room at the same time, so that also heightened our issues. But anyways, like long story short, like I tried resolving it, but it made it worse because I'm bad at speaking. So like I basically said she said, oh, I'm so childish, is this why you're like stopping to talk to me about blah blah blah. So then I got so pissed off that she thinks that that my opinions or like my disagreement of her, of what she thinks about race, or like how she was racist to a certain genre, basically K-pop, I'll say that, like Asians, and like because unfortunately a lot of Africans, due to the racial situation, tension between our kind, it's like Hakuna Matata, it's okay about my country. Like yeah, like it's hard for us for most of us to be like willing to have a blind eye to like the things that a lot of Asians have said about Africans, or like basically black people, and still think about till date. So it's sad that there's a lot of tension between those two races, but like I'm like, why? We both struggle with racial like discrimination. Like we should try to understand each other, because it's weird. Like a lot of, oh no, they're back. A lot of good relationships I have is with my Asian friends. Like I have a lot of okay, not a lot of Asian friends, but at least Asian background, kind of, like either from Sri Lanka or Nepal or like Japan. So like yeah, I just tend to get with them along more. So anyways, let me try to wrap this up. They're like literally getting out of the car. Oh my god, like I do not like this right now. So anyways, I'm gonna have this. I'll just show this real quick and talk about it. So yeah guys, thank you. Thank you for watching, and thanks for the unboxing. I will see you. I literally had to cut my story short, but yes, I'll see you in another video. Toodles, thanks for watching.